Hey creators! Welcome back to NeoDesign Lab. Today I'll show you how to create fun and animated kids songs using free AI tools. No singing, no studio, and no complex editing needed. Imagine being able to create a kids song video that racks up millions of views on YouTube and earning thousands of dollars from it all. Without any prior experience in music or animation, it might sound impossible, but it's happening every day now. Creators are making over $10,000 a month from simple videos like these with the power of AI. You could do the same, and the best part, you can create a full video in just 10 minutes. Don't believe me? Just check out channels like Callan, which have earned millions from similar content. So stay with me, and I'll walk you through the exact steps to create your own viral kids song video from start to finish. We'll use ChatGPT to write lyrics, Suno AI to turn lyrics into a song, Piclumen to generate visuals, Yuewen.cn to animate those visuals into short video clips. And finally, we'll put everything together using CapCut or any free video editor. Let's get started. Step 1. Write your song with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a fun, educational kids song. Here's an example prompt. Write a short, cheerful kids song that teaches the days of the week. Include simple actions like clapping, jumping, or waving. You can create songs about colors, numbers, animals, shapes, anything fun and educational. Step 2. Turn lyrics into a song with Suno AI. Go to Suno.com. Suno AI is a powerful tool that transforms text into high-quality songs with realistic vocals and instrumentals. Whether you need a fun kids tune, a catchy jingle, or a soothing lullaby, Suno AI can generate professional-grade music in seconds. Go to Suno AI. I've added the link in the description and create an account. Suno gives you 50 credits to play with. Click Create and choose Custom Song. Paste your song lyrics into the text box. Choose a style like Happy Kids Pop and click Create. Suno will generate 2 versions. Pick the one you like best and download the audio. Step 3. Generate illustrations with Piclumen. Now create matching visuals for each line of your song using Piclumen AI. Prompt example. Happy children from different backgrounds dancing and clapping, colorful balloons, banners showing days of the week, bright background, 3D animation, Pixar style. Make 1 image per line or verse. Keep it simple, colorful, and friendly. Step 4. Animate images with Yuewen.cn. Head to Yuewen.cn. Use Chrome with Google Translate if needed. Upload each image and add a short motion prompt like. Motion prompt. Kids are dancing and clapping happily. Camera pans slowly. Cheerful atmosphere. Download each animated video once it's ready. Step 5. Edit the final video. Use CapCut or any free editor to arrange the scenes in order. Add the Suno song as audio. Insert text on screen for each lyric. Sync visuals and lyrics with the music. Add transitions and effects. I will use Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. Let's look final result.
Clap your hands, it's Monday. We start the week with play. Let's learn the days together and dance along the way.
That's it. In just a few tools and a bit of creativity, you've made a complete animated kids song video. No singing, no camera, and no paid software required. Want to see this process in action? Subscribe to NeoDesign Lab, where we turn AI tools into real creative workflows.